Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Midjourney Discord. So all you have to do is simply go to your Discord account and connect your Midjourney here. Okay, so a piece of reminder, new users of Midjourney can utilize the platform's AI-powered capabilities to create up to 25 jobs during a free trial period. Any operation that the Midjourney bot is capable of performing, such as resizing an image, producing grid images, or generating image variations, is referred to as a job. Okay, so after using 25 jobs, you need to upgrade your plan. So to start, you just have to connect your Midjourney to your Discord and then look for any newbies here. Okay, you just have to tap any of the newbies here. For example, I'm going to tap this one. To generate an image, all you have to do is just simply type slash imagine and then prompt. So prompt, you can use any keyword here. For example, the picture above. Actually, I can't use my Midjourney because I already used my 25 free jobs during free trial. So what I'm going to show you now is just the basic information or what does it look like if you're going to use your Midjourney. Okay, so for example, girl, dog. Okay, so this one will appear, or a sample of a picture like this will appear. And all you have to do is to click that one, click open new browser, right click, and then save. Now, if you are not satisfied with the picture, you can simply select this U1, U2, U3, U4. You'll see that the answer from Midjourney also has a set of buttons at the bottom when you create a new grid of images. You can upgrade one of the four photos using the first group of buttons, which start with the letter U. In other words, you can upscale an image by clicking the U1 button, the U2 button, and so on. And talking about the V buttons below, buttons like V1 in Midjourney will produce different versions of a specific image. The first image will serve as the starting point for the V1 button. The second image will be used for the V2 button, and so forth. A different collection of four photos can be found by selecting one of the variant buttons. The same set of buttons will be incorporated in the response as well. So you could theoretically keep coming up with the new versions until you get the best output that you want. So I'm going to give an example. Okay, so this picture here, someone asked for the U3 and V3 version of this photo. So if you're going to scroll down here, this is the result for that. Okay, Midjourney will generate a new photo or image for you. Another picture we have here is someone asked for the U4 version of this picture. So the result is this one. Okay, and once the person is satisfied with this, he or she can open this in a new web browser, right click, and then save the picture. As easy as that. So if you want to get more than 25 jobs of this Midjourney AI, you just have to upgrade your plan to enjoy the wonderful features of Midjourney. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.